Now we will go into the seventh part of the program. Pronouns. The seventh pronoun is interrogative. We have done 6 already, and we are doing the seventh part of the pronoun, interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun. An interrogative. An interrogative pronoun Let's look at what's an interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. That is the seventh one we are doing. An interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions, and we'll look at some of the examples that I have for you. Examples. Here are some examples for us to understand the interrogative pronoun. Okay? First one we have here is, whose file is this? Whose file is this? Then we have, who came late today? Who came late today? Who came late today? Whom do you want to see? Whom? Whom do you want to see? Want to see? What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem? Which is your book? Which is your place? Or which is your book? Who made that noise? Who made that noise? What is the matter? What is the matter? Then, whose book is this? Whose, or you can say, whose book is this? Who won the match? Whom do you want to see? You can say, whom do you want to see? Which is your watch? Which is or which is your place? Which is your place, which is your watch, whatever. Which, who, whom do you want to see? Now, let's look at it. Here we have whose, who, whom, what, which, who, again which, what, who, whose. All these words we use in the interrogative pronoun. When you say an interrogative pronoun, it is used to ask questions. So all the first word, who, whom, whose, which, what, why did you come late, who won the match, whose file is this, who. So whose, who, whom, what, which, all these words will help us to identify the interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions. We have done interrogative pronoun. Now, I will give the full sentence. You will circle the interrogative pronoun. Okay? Identify and we'll circle together. Okay. First, I will write out all the sentences for you. Circle the interrogative pronoun. Circle the interrogative pronouns. That's what we are going to do. We are going to circle. We have to identify and we will circle. Circle the interrogative pronoun in these sentences. First one, whom. Whom do you wish to telephone? Wish to whom do you wish to telephone? Whose scooter is this? Whose? Whose scooter is this? Or is that? Whose scooter is that? Next. What is the capital of Australia? What is? What is the capital? Capital of Australia. Then, which is your pen? Which is? Which? Which is your pen? Which is your pen? Then we have, what do you prefer, tea or coffee? What do you prefer? What do you prefer, tea or coffee? Tea or coffee? Then we have here, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Who wrote this poem? Who wrote? Who wrote this poem. Then which of these girls, which of these girls, of these girls, which of these girls stood first? Stood first. I have 8 sentences for you here, and then what we are looking at is, what is the heading? Circle the interrogative pronoun in these sentences. Whom do you wish to telephone? Whose scooter is that? What is the capital of Australia? Which is your pen? What do you prefer, tea or coffee? What do you want? Who wrote this poem? Which of these girls stood first? So all these are interrogative pronouns. In the first one, circle the interrogative pronoun. First one is whom. Next is, very good, whose, what, which. What again here? What do you want? Who, which. So you have whom, whose, what, which, what. All these words indicate that these are interrogative pronouns. Identifying interrogative pronoun, very easy. Now what we have done is, as instructed, we circled all the interrogative pronouns in these sentences. Whom, that's the interrogative pronoun. Do you wish to telephone? Whose scooter is that? What is the capital of Australia? Which is your pen? And what do you prefer, tea or coffee? What do you want? Who wrote this poem? Which of these girls stood first? We have circled the interrogative pronouns in these sentences. We'll do one more exercise in interrogative pronoun. Fill in the blanks with correct interrogative pronouns. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with correct interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. And that's what we are going to do. Fill in the blanks with correct interrogative pronouns. I'll write the sentences for you without the interrogative pronouns. Okay, the first one I have here is, to dash did you give the message? Give the message. Dash were you talking to, speaking to, speaking to. Dash is better. Health or wealth? health or wealth? Dash do you consider in the night, in the right, in the right. Next, dash do you prefer milk or tea? Dash, are you waiting for? Are you waiting for? Waiting for. And last one you have dash of you has not done his lesson. So I have got 7 sentences for you to fill in with correct interrogative pronoun. The first one we have here is, to dash did you give the message? To whom did you give the message? To whom? To whom did you give the message? To whom did you give the book? Interrogative pronoun. Were you speaking to? Who? Who were you speaking to? Next one is better than health or wealth. Which is better? Which is better? Which is better? Health or wealth? Next, dash do you consider is right? Which do you consider is right? In the right? Which do you consider in the right? Which? Which do you consider in the right? Next we have, do you prefer milk or coffee? Milk or tea? What do you prefer? What? What? Do you prefer milk or tea? And then you have dash. Are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? Who? Who are you waiting for? And finally you have dash of you has not done his lesson. Which of you? Which? Which of you has not done his lesson? Now, this, whatever we have filled in, whom, who, which, what, who, all these are helping us, telling us this is interrogative pronoun. Identifying interrogative pronoun is very easy. We have filled in with the correct interrogative pronoun in all these 8 sentences.